and talk about the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights chairperson Priyank Kanugu has now raised serious concerns over what he claims are radical curriculum that is being taught in government-funded madrasas in Bihar. He has expressed alarm over the reported enrollment of Hindu children in these madrasas, accusing the Bihar government of withholding official data on the number of such students. Priyank Kanugu has also mentioned the Bihar Madrasa Board, saying the curriculum that has been prepared with the involvement of UNICEF India, and described it as the heights of appeasement by both bodies. He's also alleged that some of the books included in the madrasa curriculum are published in Pakistan, and the ongoing research is examining the content when it comes to the text that is being taught to children.
मदरसा बोर्ड का सिलेबस जो उन्होंने अपनी वेबसाइट पे प्रिस्क्राइब किया है, उसमें कई सारी ऐसी किताबें हैं जो पाकिस्तान में छपवाई गई हैं। पर्टिकुलर किताब जिसके बारे में अभी तक हमको वो तालीमुल इस्लाम है। जब हम वेबसाइट पर जाके उस किताब की लिंक पे क्लिक करते हैं तो पता चलता है कि पाकिस्तान के कराची में छपी हुई किताब को राज्य का मदरसा बोर्ड प्रिस्क्राइब कर रहा है। जब उसका इंग्लिश तर्जुमा हम पढ़ते हैं तो ये पता चलता है कि उसमें लिखा हुआ है कि वे लोग जो एक से ज्यादा भगवान में मानते हैं वे काफिर हैं, मुशरिक हैं। तो अब मासूम बच्चों को काफिर और मुशरिक होना बताना, वो भी तब जब बिहार राज्य के सरकारी फंडिंग प्राप्त मदरसों में हिंदू बच्चे भी पढ़ रहे हैं, ये गलत है।
Now, Bihar Minister Prem Kumar called it as an anti-national activity and promised that his government will investigate the matter and take strict action.
देश के जो कई राज्य हैं, वहाँ भी इन बातों की चर्चा हुई जाकर और देश हित में है नहीं, और उन स्थानों पर निश्चित तौर पर वहाँ जांच होनी चाहिए जाकर के, उनके विधियों की जानकारी सरकार तक होनी चाहिए जाकर के। कोई यदि सरकार विरोधी कोई काम कर रहा हो, राष्ट्र विरोधी काम कर रहा हो, हमारा मानना है ऐसे संस्थाओं की जांच होनी चाहिए, और ऐसे संस्थाओं जांच के बाद यदि पाया जाता है तो निश्चित तौर पर जांच होनी चाहिए। जांच होने के बाद उन पर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, वहाँ अंकुश लगना चाहिए।
Well, Saurav is with us right now. Saurav, for how long was, these lessons, this curriculum was being taught? Who exactly decided it? And when was it that it came to light that such kind of curriculum that is being taught to children in madrasas is actually radical, according to what we heard from Priyank Kanugu?
See, this is the book that the NCPCR chief was talking about. This is Talim-ul Islam, a class 2 textbook which is being taught in madrasas, in government-aided madrasas in Bihar. And I, in fact, went for a ground report at a madrasa, which is the only government-owned madrasa here in Patna, in whole Bihar and Jharkhand. And in that madrasa, I explored the type of books that were used for teaching the students. And I found over there, the teachers were there. In the library also I went, and there he accepted that yes, Talimul Islam is being taught here, and at that time that book was not available in that library, and he said that because that books were completely distributed among the students, and they are in the scarcity of the textbook, because the madrasa board doesn't provide textbook to these madrasas on time, so the book was not available. But I somehow tried to speak with those teachers and got this translation done on camera, what is written on page number 6 and 7, and it was clearly written that those who doesn't believe in Allah are kafirs, and kafirs are not forgiven. In fact, the kafirs who believe in more than 2 gods, including Hindus and Christians, they are not forgiven by Allah, and they are in pain and torment. So these lines were in the form of question and answer in this particular book, which is taught, imagine, just in class 2. A child who has just emerged as a class 2 student is getting to know what are kafirs and how kafirs are punished. So this was quite shocking. In fact, another shocking thing what I saw in that madrasa was the infrastructure. Such derogatory and such things are being taught, but on the other hand, that students are not provided basic facility like fans in that madrasa. Neither they are given food as a
part from the Bihar government that they will look into as far as the allegations that have been leveled by the NCPCR chief and exactly what is being taught to the children there in those government-aided madrasas.